Love you, honey. Love you, baby. Love you, sweet. And quit hurting them in college. Quit hurting them in the cages in college. Quit doing that in college. So I got my bones to pick with college, but I love to pick the rats' bones too. Oh, their bones are delicious, super delicious. Oh, they have great skin. See, I get like this every time I start talking about rats. I ever get like that every single time. Every single time I start talking about rats, I get like that. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. And now what do we hear? People have been leaving books on my desk. See, some of the religious people, like at the PCTV, because they want me to go find religion. But like I said, I found the devil, but I haven't found God. I found the devil. Ha ha ha! And it's more fun to find the devil. Ha 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 ha! He's more fun. He's a lot more fun. Ha 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 ha! And he just loves Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl. Oh yes, he does. So they've been leaving like books about religion on my desk. And now somebody left another one on my desk. See what this one's about. Let's see. First year college mathematics. College again. College. I guess somebody wants me to go to college. No, I'm not going to college. First year college mathematics. College. College. They left a college book on my desk. A college book. See, before they were leaving religious books on my desk. Now they're leaving college books on my desk. College books. I guess they want me to find college. College. Like, here's chapter. Algebra. I just talked about algebra. I just talked about how you fuck Alan Hitchber and trigonometry. Trigonometry. Yes, I know about that too. If the guy's more than 8 inches, he rides a hog and he has a beard. I trig his geometry. I trig it. I get it trigged off. It trigs right in my pussy. I get it trigged off. It trigs and 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 trigs. So I get it trigged off. I hate college. And they leave college book on my desk. Oh, what are they trying to do to me? What are they trying to do, Tracy Chorchak? Make her go to college, make her find religion? Well, she's not. She's not going to do that. She's not going to do that. She's not going to define religion. She's going to find the devil. She's going to keep with the devil. She's always going to screw the devil. Not going to find God. She's not going to go to college either. No college either. College either. No college. See, no, somebody lives college. College book on my desk. College, college. They got that, like that big building at Pitt, that big cathedral of learning. Cathedral of learning. It's so big. It's like, must be 40 stories or 45 stories, 50 stories, something like that. Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl only needs 1 story. The story of Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl, the most beautiful girl in the world, most beautiful girl in the world. See, that's Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl story. But Tracy Trailer Trash Girl trailer here is only 1 story, and it's a cathedral of learning. Why do you need 40 or 45 or whatever that thing is? That big. Oh, it's so big. Talking about big again. Big. The guy I screwed right before I started taping the show. He was big. Big. That guy. I'm trying to talk about big cathedral of learning in Oakland. Cathedral of learning. That big building. 45 stories. What the fuck do you need that many stories to learn? Tracy Trailer Trash Girl can teach you in a cathedral of learning on 1 story. Her 1-story trailer. Right here in the Screamy Baby Trailer Park. Teach you in her trailer. And Tracy Trailer Trash Girl only needs 1 story, not 45 or 50 stories. See, college is so stupid. They need 45, 50, 55, 55, 60 stories to teach you anything. They need that to teach you anything. That's why Tracy Trailer Trash Girl would never go to college. Or college, or read a college book first year. College mathematics. College. I hate the college mathematics. What does this shit mean? Z plus 2 equals 0, or X plus 2 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. How the fuck does X plus 2 equal 0? If you have 2 apples, and somebody makes an X on your pussy, you still have 2 apples. You don't have 0 apples. So they're teaching you wrong. I mean, somebody makes an X inside your pussy. They like do that to me all the time. They make an X, tic-tac-toe. But see, like they make an X inside your pussy, and they have like 2 apples. See, you learn that in first grade. You have 2 apples, and somebody gives you X apples, no apples, you still have 2 apples. But this says X plus 2 equals 0. No. See, college again. See, that's the shit you learn in college, and you don't need to learn that shit. You just need to learn how to fuck Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl. That's all you fucking need to learn, baby. You don't need to learn anything else, baby. Anything else, baby. And I mean, I'm trying to get off this college, but then the college with the G20, they got me all wound up again. That college, it got me all fucked up again. Got me all wound up. Got me all crazy. But try to move on to something else now. Guys, got to try to move on to something else now. Got to get off that college. Got to hate college. Drive me crazy. But anyway, this is October when PCTV is right here at my trailer. Now there's another thing I saw this past Saturday night on Saturday Night Live. Now, they had the right idea. They were doing a bit about biker girls. Yes, well, Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl is trashy and a biker girl, too. She's all that shit. She's the best biker girl in the world, riding with the guys who have the big hogs and the more than 8 inches and the big beards. So Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl knows biker girls and biker guys. See, they were all screwed up on Saturday Night Live. Every other word they were saying was freaking. They didn't say fucking. They kept saying freaking. Well, I like freaking. I like freaking guys, and I like freaking having fun. I like freaking smoking, and I like freaking drinking. Well, that one girl, congratulations to her. She finally got it right. She said fucking. It was only said one time. Well, why did it take them so long to figure out the word is fucking, not freaking? On Saturday Night, they're saying, see, that's why I never liked Saturday Night Live, because they're saying freaking with the biker girls instead of fucking. The word is not freaking, it is fucking. Saturday Night Live. The one girl got it right. I got to give her credit. She got it right. She said fucking. She got it right. I mean, how stupid can you be to say freaking instead of fucking? I mean, they were screwed up on Saturday Night Live. Well, they've always been screwed up on Saturday Night Live because they never get it right. So the girls were saying, yeah, like I freaking those guys. Yeah, like I'm freaking riding a motorcycle. Yeah, like I'm freaking smoking. I'm freaking drinking. I'm like freaking lazy. I like freaking don't work. Put the right word in. The one girl finally got it. She finally wised up and said, yeah, I like fucking those guys instead of freaking those guys. I mean, she got it right. What the fuck was wrong with those other girls? They're not real biker girls if they say freaking. They gotta say fucking, like Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl does. But they can't say it as good as Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl. Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl is the best in the world saying fucking baby. I mean, Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl is the best in the world saying fucking baby. So they're not as good as Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl, but at least they could get it right and say fucking instead of freaking. I mean, what the fuck's wrong with them saying freaking? I mean, that's not the word. I mean, I'm looking at this Saturday Night Live sketch, and I'm there, Saturday Night Live, baby, you got it all wrong. You don't know what the shit you're doing, saying freaking. I mean, I know. You probably say, well, we can't say fucking as good as Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl, so we'll just say freaking. No, baby, even if it's not as good as Tracy the Trailer Trash Girl, you still have to use the right word fucking instead of freaking. I mean, what kind of shit was that, saying freaking? The one girl, I give her credit, she's cool because she got it right. She said fucking. She said it. So she got it right, baby. It took them long enough. It took them fucking long enough to get fucking instead of freaking. I mean, the sketch went on for like 5 minutes before they finally said fucking instead of freaking. Went on for like 5 minutes. Took them all that time, baby. All that time to get it right, baby. I mean, well, what the fuck's wrong with them? Now, I better get it right the next time or there'll be poopy dirt. Today, damn well, she better get it right. Get it right, baby. Just get it right. Okay? Get it right. I mean, you got to get it right.